Welcome to Almco plumbing channel, and today we will start to make this video a little bit fun. We replaced the regular 75-gallon water heater to tankless. And what Alex doing right now? Some measurements. Today we're gonna be replace Ream 75-gallon water heater to Navian 248.2 with a recirculation pump. And just enjoy the process. But enjoy with the comments, way more interesting. Yeah, it's pretty fun how open box and like heavy water heater removing. But real important to just do everything is right and right setup and prepare to installation to replace everything working great. Yeah, Alex doing his work really good. Just disconnected old water heater called old temporary line. Oh yeah, remove old one, 75-gallon, it was difficult. And this is we're not sure if we're able to done that because 36 inches fake column when you have to drill hole through and get condensing line outside. But we done that. It was difficult. Installation is not easy. Run your condensing line. It's pretty fun. It's important to make level quarter per feet for drain good. And just finishing installation, reducing copper, sweating, sweat the joint. Yep, just nice and beautiful. Work is clean. Yeah, a little bit more copper pipe. And drill hole for vent. It's important to have a nice proper hole for vent pipe inside and outside. And right now, it's almost done. It's so easy and simple on the video, and it takes almost a day to do the work. Two guys, and on the video just 2.5 minutes. Look at how nice and beautiful and quick. I wish it's that quick to doing the work, but to doing work proper, it's take a time. And I love how this tankless was installed, and it's perfect, beautiful, and no question. Yep, you see how nice and good. I love it. Almco Plumbing Professional.